Hi there. This is exercise 15 from my 7th set of practice exercises focused on preparing you for the SAT. This time we're just working with a simple, actually the simplest possible linear equation we could see. It's an equation of first degree. Even though we could use our calculators, especially if they are scientific ones, or even Desmos, I would be surprised if someone does not do it by hand. Because it's, like I said, I hope it is super easy for all of you. What should we do in this case? We should isolate the x's, the terms that contain x, from everything else, which means that negative 1.5 should move on the other side, 1.5 plus 3.5. Then we should simplify like terms. 5x is 1.5 plus 3.5 is also 5. And then to isolate x, we should divide both sides by 5. X is 1. And that's the solution to that. I hope I didn't have to help you on that. Anyways, if you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.